Hi, everyone. So I want to sing a song for you, which I have never managed to sing very well, and even my practices, they have not gone well, so I apologize ahead of time. This is Come Rain or Come Shine. I like the Ray Charles version the best, but it goes back as far as Etta James, and so on and so forth. Okay. I'm gonna love you like nobody's loved you, come rain or come shine. High as a mountain, deep as a river, come rain or come shine. And I guess when you met me, it was just one of those things. But don't ever bet me, 'cause I'm gonna be true, oh, if you let me. And you're gonna love me like nobody's loved me, come rain or come shine. Happy together, unhappy together, and won't it be fine? Days may be cloudy or sunny, while we're in or we're out of the money. But I'm with you always, I'm with you rain or shine. Rain or shine. Okay, yes, that felt really good. Yay!